Hi, this is Matt Ryan, quarterback from the Atlanta Falcons, and I'm here with Dr. Scott Boden, director of Emory Orthopedics and Spine Center. Dr. Boden, welcome, and could you fill us in a little bit on your background?
Absolutely. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I've been at Emory for 29 years, and I'm responsible for the orthopedics and musculoskeletal service line for Emory Healthcare. And that means we take care of every bone and joint in your body and everything from head to toe for orthopedics, sports medicine, and spine. We're also honored to be the official team healthcare provider for the Atlanta Falcons and many of the other professional teams and collegiate teams in Atlanta.
Dr. Boden, Emory Healthcare has a long-standing relationship with our team. We trust you guys with our health, and now you're opening a new location for Emory Orthopedics and Spine Center on the grounds of the Falcons training camp at Flowery Branch. We all know it's about 45 miles north of the city. Can you tell me why Emory targeted that area for a new center and how the community can benefit from Emory as a provider?
Two reasons. First, we wanted to say, what could we do to better serve the Atlanta Falcons? And having a medical facility at your training grounds was part of that answer. And it also enabled us to bring our care not only to the Falcons, but to the general public in the Hall County area. And that's something that we're very excited about.
Yeah, one of the things I'm excited about is the proximity for the MRIs and the scanning images. It's just going to be so convenient for us. So there's also going to be a sports performance research center at the facility. Could you just tell us a little bit about what that's going to entail?
We're very excited about the sports performance and research center that's going to be at the facility. We are going to have one of the most advanced laboratories to study injury prevention and also recovery from concussions. And we're going to be extending these studies to really involve not only professional athletes, but youth athletes around the state from a number of high schools, including underserved areas.
I think that's great, not only for what you're doing for the kids, but the long-term sustainability of our sport. You and I have talked about that before, of how important that is. So much of football is determined by what happens off the field. It's huge for our team to have the top healthcare system in Emory that is changing the future of sports performance, changing how we train, how we prepare, and helping us prevent injuries before they happen. Can you tell us more about how my teammates and I will benefit from this facility?
Absolutely. The first thing is pretty obvious. Having this kind of medical personnel and medical equipment right at an NFL practice facility is really unprecedented. And then when it comes to recruiting new talent and bringing in free agents, having that convenience right at the practice facility is going to make things logistically much better than the way it's been in the past, where the medical services have been kind of scattered about the city.
I know that I have benefited firsthand from the world-class care that Emory provides. Can you talk a little bit about the innovation in orthopedics treatments and sports medicine that Emory has developed in the last handful of years?
Absolutely. Emory Orthopedics and Spine has really been at the forefront of innovation in a lot of areas that potentially impact you and your teammates. One area has been stem cells, and there's a lot of information about stem cells and not a lot of science. And so our group has been really working on trying to figure out what kind of cells, when it's most appropriate, and how it can accelerate healing some of the soft tissue injuries that we see in a lot of sports, including football. In addition to that, we've been innovative in terms of robotic surgery, minimally invasive surgery, faster recovery times, and really ways to get bones when they're broken or when we need them to heal faster, that are things that are now sort of rolled out around the country and around the world. And it's really been exciting to be part of an organization that is on the cutting edge.
Well, I know I'm really excited about this new facility. I know our team is really excited, but I think all of Hall County can get very excited about the healthcare that's going to be provided at this facility. Dr. Boden, thank you so much for your time today and for all that you've done in helping get this facility going.
Thank you, Matt.
For more information on Emory Orthopedics and Spine Center at Flowery Branch, visit emoryhealthcare.org/riseupflowerybranch.